Hello everyone. This video will be about how to build MVP, what I did for building MVP for my client, and which are the best practices you can do so you will be able to build it fast. So first of all, I want to just present a little bit about the MVP I have built recently for my client. This is for platform tools for freelancers that will power them, their workflow, how they work. So as you open the application, you can see tasks, documents, shared documents, reminders. These are all important tools for freelancers and how they work day-to-day tasks. So you can see Kanban dashboard, documents for client contracts. Here you can see which documents you have shared with your clients and reminders if you have call or if you want to remember something for specific time. So these all are tools built for freelancers. So what I want you to talk about is how I built it, how much time it took me, what you should do. So first of all, let's start from ideation process, right? Because this is where everything starts. So ideation is foundation of your MVP or of your product, right? So your idea doesn't need to be $1 billion idea, right? But it needs to solve a problem. So, what is a problem that is solved for this product? So, as we know, freelancers are using different tools, different kind of softwares to manage their work, to manage their client communication, and there can be a lot of other things they are handling while working. So, having this in mind, we can say that they might have a lot of subscription. Even if they don't have subscriptions, they might lose a lot of time to switch from this software to that software, and just having a lot of tasks here and there, so they don't have central place to manage all their tasks, right? So considering these 3 points, this product solves some of the most important problems for freelancers. So this is ideation process. Number two, you should be able to communicate and talk to the users, right? So how you do it? What I did personally is reaching out to freelancers and just asking, "Hey, my friend, so I have this idea in mind because I see freelancers are having problem with solving this kind of problems, right? Having too many softwares to manage their tasks and so on so what. So this is the second but also one of the most important parts, right? You want to talk to your potential users so you will get feedback from them. So I asked my potential users, so what you would like to have. They liked the idea that managing tasks, having client contracts, also reminders, because sometimes clients forget the reminders for meetings, right? So having this feedback from them gave me confidence to build these features, right? So it will be actually in demand, but not just filling the place in application, right? So this is second point. The third point, we started with ideation, then talking to users, like kind of getting their feedback, and building MVP, a validating idea is actually third point. So as soon as you get the most important points you need to have in your MVP, you can first start with the skeleton of your MVP, right? So you can actually design your design the first version of how your MVP will look like. Then you can add the features on top of it, and you should do all of this as quick as possible. So what I would advise you to do is using no-code platforms. It also gets some time to learn, but if you have a little bit of knowledge, you can take even some templates from, let's say, Bubble. There are a lot of free templates. You can take it and you can make some changes on it, right? And this way you will save yourself time, and also you will also avoid some frustration, pain of building just without having any money getting in your pocket yet, right? So at this point, you want to just quickly release your MVP and just keep iterating by getting feedback from your users, promoting your product just continuously. Actually, promoting is also the number one point. Like, if you start with ideation, you just should promote your idea and get feedback from public but also from your users. So these are the like milestones when you build your MVP. You need to get done in step by step order. Thank you very much for listening. So I hope this video gave you some idea on how to think for building your MVP, and I hope it provided you some value. So thank you very much for listening, and see you. Goodbye.